Hi, Jarek. This is Josh and Laura trying to make a video. We're not good at this, so we hope it comes out all right. We love you. We're so thankful that we get to be included in your graduation video and wish you the very best. We're so happy for you, and Josh will say something funny now.
I'm queued up for it, and there's nothing that I'm on. I got nothing. Here's the thing, brother. Super proud of you. You made a big career out of this, and you've grown a ton. We're so proud of you. Of course, as you grow older, you will go out of the perm phase, and yet we won't let you forget that moment. So just know that as you move forward, we are here to make fun of you continually in the perm phase. So just know that. But we're super proud of you. When you go off to college, here's some advice. Have a lot of fun. Get your sheesh done first, right? So work hard and play hard. Have a lot of fun. Meet a lot of new people. Enjoy. Don't get too crazy so that your mother has a heart attack.
All right. Well, my only tip would be to pick something that you're passionate about to study and make sure that you do your best in it. And anytime that you feel like you need advice, you have a lot of family and friends who love you very much, and we're here for you anytime. Congratulations. We love you.
Love you, bro. Have a good one. Congrats.